Okay, now I'm going to show you the teacher view of how to check those two assignments. So remember, I had my test student, which is me, submit assignment. So here's me, test student. I'm going to open it up, and you can see there are two revisions. How do I switch between revisions? Up here. So click here, I can see revision 1. So here's revision 1, where the student, that was me, typed on, and I'm going to be able to scroll down, see what they completed, check it if I want to do it this way. Add a grade. Okay, so this looks incomplete. I can put a grade comment, so I'm going to say incomplete, show it to the student. Okay, and click submit. Then I'm going to see, oh, well, there was another revision. Here is another tip. If the student had submitted multiple things in the same document, this also would be a drop-down menu as evidenced by this little triangle. Now I'm going to go to the second revision, which would be opening up a link. And remember, I submitted it two ways. You can see both end up as clickable links. So this is a clickable link. This is also a clickable link. So it doesn't matter which way the students do it, you are going to be able to see it the same way. So I'm going to click it, open it, and since the student made it so that I can make a comment, I can say this paragraph helps with question 1. Okay, I can add whatever comment I want, just like I normally would be able to if I linked it through a Google Drive assignment. Okay, so that's the plus of doing it this way. And then I would simply go back to Schoology and I might say, okay, well, I want to modify this grade. So I might say, well, I want to change it from a 50 to a 60. Okay, and I'm going to submit. It is still incomplete. Submit, shown to student. Okay, that's it. If I want to add a comment here, students will get a notification about this. Comments here will show up in their, when they look at grades. Comments here, they have to come back to the assignment. Comments here show up in grades. That's just the difference. However, if you forget to click this box, show to student, you sort of wasted your time typing in this box. So if you type in this box, make sure you put show to student unless it's a note to yourself. This students will get a bell notification for, but they'll have to come back to the assignment to see it.